Hi guys, this is Jason from Simple Cookery, and today we're making Yaki Udon. Looking at the ingredients, let's look at our main one, which is your udon. I would recommend getting the frozen udon because for some reason they have better texture than the non-frozen ones. For your choice of protein, you could get anything from seafood to meat, but when you're getting your meat, make sure it's thinly sliced so that's so easy to fry. For today, I got seafood because I absolutely adore seafood. It's one of my favorite things in the world. And then for your choice of veggies, we have shiitake, carrot, peas, and onion. Now, what's important in yaki udon is your sauce. We have soya sauce and something called the mentsuya. Mentsuya is basically a type of a Japanese noodle sauce. And that's about it. Let's start cooking. So the first thing we want to do is to slice our onions. And then we want to do the same for our mushrooms. For our carrots, I like to slice them into thin, long pieces. And next, we have our peas, just chop them into little cubes. And lastly, we have our spring onions, and we're gonna use them to garnish our dish when it's done. To cook the udon, just boil some water and put the udon in it. So cook the udon according to your package instructions. When it finished cooking, drain them in cold water so that they stop cooking immediately. You don't want them to overcook. Next, we're gonna cook our seafood or whatever protein that you selected. Put some oil in a medium heated pan and put in your seafood. When it's done, put them aside. So next, we're gonna fry our vegetables. So clean your pan, heat it up, and put some oil back in. And first, we're gonna put in our onions. And we're just gonna fry those onions for a few minutes until they become slightly translucent, and then we're gonna put in the rest of our vegetables. And we're gonna fry them until they're cooked. So that normally takes around 4 to 5 minutes. And then put in your udon noodles. And here we're gonna make the yaki udon sauce. We're gonna put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of mentsuya. Give them a stir. Don't forget to put in your seafood or your choice of protein. And what I always like to do when I'm cooking is to give your food a taste. That's how you know if your food is lacking any saltiness or pepper. And here we're gonna add some salt and pepper. Now stir the noodles for a few minutes, and importantly, do not overcook it, because if you do, it will become sticky and the sauce that you created will be gone. Sprinkle your spring onions, and just to make it a little bit more perfect, I'm gonna put in some bonito flakes. And there we go, yaki udon. How's the flavor?
Really good. Like the seafood is like really nice with this. You get the banana flakes on top as well, just to add that umami. It's very umami. That's the way to describe it. But as Jason said, you can actually use any other protein. Like go to the Asian supermarket and you get the thinly sliced pork belly. The beef rolls are really nice as well.
If you like this recipe, please don't forget to press like and subscribe down below. And if you want to check out our content every day, follow us on Instagram. We post stories of behind the scenes. In Simple Cookery, we teach you simple recipes and cooking techniques to help you to be more confident in the kitchen. And we're out.